grown woman.
Well, guess what? Show them how to do it in the feature. Don't do it here. Show them in the feature as well. You got any friends, family sponsors you want to thank?
I'd like to thank my parents and
There you go. Let's hear it one more time for Paige in the Triple Qs. See, Joe? That easy. That easy. Stock class, simplest class to get involved into the sport, but let alone if it's a demolition derby, the bumping grind, or last night, the figure eight stock classes are the easiest